Here we are in Joseph Bunda's house. Okay. Video yan. Ayan, nandito tayo sa ano, what do you call this room?
This is TV room.
Okay, this is the TV room. Okay, this is the couch and that is Mama and this is the kitchen. Siya ang pumili ng lights. Oh, siya ang pumili nun. Ito lahat sila. Tita Glo, Tita Josie, ang ganda pang rain. Exy. Si Uncle Ton. Okay, and then that one is the guest room, right?
Yeah, guest room with Carol's mess.
This is the guest room with Carol's mess. And my aircon. TV, what is this? This is the banyo! Ang ganda ng banyo!
Bakit lumaki ng ganyan ang balakang ko? Hindi naman dati ganyan kalaki yan.
Pumayat mo ako eh.
Hindi, pero ang ganda o kasi ano.
Okay! Sila nandoon. And this is the other living room. This is the kitchen.
This is Ate Inday.
Hi! Nice meeting you.
Saan ko ba ito nakita?
Ay, ang dilim dito. Walang lights. Ayun, naka-plastic pa yung lights.
Yeah.
For your information.
And the rest with the plastic.
And then, naka-plastic pa rin yung ref. We cannot use the ref. And then, the cabinet and the sink.
Dirty
Okay.
kitchen there.
And then, ito daw yung dirty kitchen. Pero hindi siya dirty.
That's dirty.
It is still clean.
Yeah?
And then, there is the TV, and there is the...
There's TV. And the room.
And the outside.
garden.
Okay, and then where else?
Yeah.
Kaninong kwarto?
Katulong. For the maid.
Okay, where else? Where else should we go?
Let's go up.
Oh, we're going up.
Kaya ang ginawa ko.
Okay. Sensya na kayo, nagtutour ako ah. Uy, ang ganda ng lights. O, tignan natin yung lights. Oh, ang ganda ng lights. Ikaw na pumili niyan? Ayan.
We chose that. Me
Okay.
and Carol.
Okay, let's go. Ikaw na maulay ko yung tour guide ko eh.
Let's go to the second floor.
Uy, ang dilim. Okay, this is the second floor. Ano to?
This is terrace lang.
Oh, let's go out to the terrace. Maganda siguro dito pag may ilaw.
You wanna chill lang with your boyfriend.
Oh.
With Carol's boyfriend.
Oh. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon. Ay, sa labas hindi natin na ano.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, nagbibideo din siya.
Hello there.
Ayun yung garden, ang ganda. Yes. Maganda siya. Yung landscaping.
Yes.
Oh, but I can't see because it's too dark.
Yeah. Let's go to Carol's room. We're gonna stay there, okay?
Okay.
Carol's room.
Yes. Excuse me.
We're gonna stay here.
Ang lamig dito.
Carol's room.
Okay. And this is Carol's room. Aircon, malamig. Ito pa. Oh, this is ano. Okay.
It's
like-
Roman shades.
Oh, okay.
Roman shades. Lola's room.
And then Lola's room.
Ay, binili kayo?
And then
Mama's gonna stay here.
this is the master bed.
Yeah, for Mama.
Okay. Ito yung banyo nila. Does it? Oh, there it is. Nice. Very nice.
Mama's gonna stay
May
here.
timba. May timba.
Yeah, that's,
Very,
you know, you're in the Philippines.
very Filipino.
See the timba? Look.
The Timba. Ang ganda.
Hello, Timba.
Toto! Yung kanilang toilet. Okay.
Let's go. This is my room. Bawal buksan kasi full of mess. As in boxes.
Talagang lagi ng puso.
Wow, ang ganda ng lagayan ah.
Maraming shoes!
Kagulat.
Welcome to my room.
Maliit lang din yung room
Yeah,
mo.
my room is small now. Yeah.
Okay, marami pang gamit.
Yeah.
Amoy pintura pa.
Ang gamit.
Uy, ito maganda
Ano to?
dito.
This is the washroom. Someone sits it.
May nagbibihis. Ay! May nagdo-doorbell.
Ito, doorbell Joseph.
So late na, doorbell at this time. Tito Randy, what? Hey! Nalock ka na dyan!
Sino yun?
Tito Randy's there. Yes!
Urong mo yung pasok yung kotse.
Okay. Wait lang.
Hello.
Hi, Tito Randy!
Hi.
How are you?
Oh. Uniform naman pala dyan.
Look at this spider, oh. Spider!
Ang ganda! Okay. And that's the end of our tour. That's the end of our tour.
Okay, let's go down.